Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. It's a little bit too large to get on the table, so I'll just cut it open right off the table edge here. This watch kindly lent in from Formex watches. It's their newer field watch. Wanted to check this one out since it came out, and they were finally able to get one over for us to check out. Get quite a few of these out on loan, so a little bit of a backlog, I guess, but finally able to get one in, so very nice. Very big box here, so maybe it's a large box within here, maybe not, I don't know. We'll find out. This would be the third Formex watch on the channel here. What was the first one? I think the first one was the Essence, and then had another one that was a carbon fiber case. That watch was really cool. I kind of wish I would have bought it, but I don't know. I can't buy them all, right? Can't keep them all. But yeah, that was a cool watch. So let's check this one out. I'm not even sure what dial color we have here, so we'll discover that together here in a moment. Yep, same case that the other ones were sent in. Yeah, so the White Watches had this before me. I'm not sure what the accessorizing is here about. Yeah, that's a cool looking watch. I guess that would be a black dial. Very nice and super light. It's a titanium watch, and it has these Velcro straps. Looks like it comes with the leather strap as well. Is that leather? Doesn't feel like real animal leather. I'm not sure what this is. It has this slick carbon composite deployant clasp. Does this one have... I think the last one I had has some kind of a slick micro adjust system in it. No, this one, I don't think this one has that. Well, all kinds of straps here to play around with. So yeah, that'll be fun to check out. So let's get this thing on wrist. Wind it up first. Okay, so it's a screw down crown. This thing is amazingly light. I'd have to guess 60 grams, but I will weigh it for the full presentation. Kind of a vintage looking loom. So yeah, very nice. Let's set it to 1010. A little bit of resistance screwing that down. Just want to make sure I wasn't cross-threading it, but looks like we're good to go there. Let me zoom back out. Then we'll get this on wrist here. Yeah, I had one of these straps on a SWC Arc that I had in on loan. That was very comfortable strap, and this one feels to be very comfortable as well. This one's finished a little better with this a plastic piece on the end though. If I like that or not. But anyway, there we go. My 6.5-inch wrist. This thing is super light, super comfortable. Really comfortable. I really like these Velcro straps. I didn't think I would, but they're very comfortable. All right, let's zoom out here and then we'll close out the video. No, I'll show you the case back. I'll zoom out and then we'll zoom back in and take a look at the case back here real quick. It's a little bit, it's not that big. Maybe a little bit bigger than I would like, but like I said, again, it's really light on wrist. Hardly even notice it's on wrist. And the strap's very comfortable. Numbers are a little funky with the way they're cut out there. Now I gotta zoom in. I don't know if this is a sandwich style or not. Kind of looks like one. Yeah, it's tough to say because that date wheel is a lot lower than the depth of those indices. Maybe they're just kind of cut down into the surface of the dial. See where these indices are, it looks like it's deeper than the numbers. So, very interesting. And then here is the case back. 150 meter water resistance, titanium field, sapphire crystal, Formex. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and it helps me out a lot with the channel here. And as always, thank you for the time, and thank you for watching.